Good morning. Welcome to the E3 Weekly Market Report. It's the 27th of July. We are getting a delay from the USDA's website that gives the breakdown of exports. We see the total gross numbers. We're not getting the country breakdown. So I'm going to go ahead and give you what I've got. I'll continue to try to update this and see if it comes up. Let's just take a look at what we've got. First off, for cotton, old crop, 28,300 bales. New crop, that's 2017-18, is 232,600 bales. Now, let's take a look at where the market was. The market, around 7 o'clock, had started to rally and rallied 70 points. I don't know what the news was there. I don't think there was any. So the market was trading up 109 before this came out. Right now, the market is up 98. So it did get as high as 69.55 before the report. Right now we're at 69.42. Let's look next. We continue to update to see if they bring it. They're just having some difficulties with the actual breakdown, so we're not able to give you that. Let's go ahead and look at these others. We have soybeans. Net sales soybeans, 303,400 metric tons of soybeans for 2016-17, and for 2017-2018 it was 531,800 metric tons. The soybean market was up 6 before the report. Right now the soybean market in November is up 6, so no change. Now going next to corn, old crop, 92,000 metric tons. New crop, 486,600. The corn market was up 2 before the report. Right now, corn is up in December, up 2, so no change there. Lastly, look at the wheat, 498,000. That's 498,000 tons. A wheat before the report was up 3.5. Right now, wheat is up in September 4. Cotton starting to rally again, up 113. So we'll look for that news and report on it later. Just some quick comments. This is the time of the year at the end of July, the beginning of August, when we typically have a bounce in cotton and corn and wheat and soybeans. That bounce might last for a couple of weeks or 3 weeks, and then we'll roll over toward the end of September and start moving down toward harvest. That's typical. The question is this a typical year? Is this a normal year? I don't know that. It's just been such an odd market for some time now that it's hard to say that. But those are the seasonals. The market holds, firms up, at the very least trades sideways, but probably bounces in the coming weeks some, and then it'll come under pressure. We have expected a trading range in cotton between 66 and 70. We're not that far from the high end of it. There's been some talk that if you rallied and got through 70, you might see some short covering that could take you as high as 72. Can't rule that out. This is cotton, very unpredictable in the way it trades. As far as the soybeans go, we've had, let's look, November soybeans over the last 5 days have had a range of, let's see, 51.25 cents. As a matter of fact, that range was made over a 2-day period. And we saw a high of 10.35.5, a low of 9.84.5. Right now, November soybeans are 10.08.25. Corn's had a range of 27.25 cents. It's had a high of 10.06 3/4, a low of 3.79.5. Right now, December corn is trading at 3.89. September wheat's had a 37.25 cent range over the last week, a high of 5.10 1/4, a low of 4.73. Right now it's at 4.83 1/4. So we've got some room to move back up from the levels we've recently seen. That's it. My apologies for not having a breakdown. Let me check it. It might be up now. Yes, it's up now. Let's just quickly go through the breakdown. Cotton, the cotton market, let's just go to new crop. 232,600. We have Actually, Bangladesh taking 63,800, Turkey taking 39,700, Vietnam taking 27,300, shipments of 326,800. And next we'll go to soybeans, the 303,400 for old crop. China took 138,500 metric tons. Thailand took 70,300 metric tons. Japan took 27,300 metric tons. Going to corn, let's just go to new crop there. Let's see. $486,600. Unknown destinations took 160,000. Mexico took 136,400. Japan took 63,000. Wheat, 498,000. We had Taiwan taking 105,200. South Korea taking 88,100. Chile taking 67,300. So that's it. Let's take one last look at the markets. Cotton up 112 at 69.52. November soybeans up 8 now. We firmed up 2 now. We're at 10.08 and a quarter. December corn right now is up 3, so it's rallied 1 penny since the report came out. Wheat up 5. Wheat was up 3.5. It's rallied 1.5 pennies since the report came out. That's it. Sorry for the confusion over these reports that came out late on the breakdown, but thanks for being with us for the E3 Weekly Market Report. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.